For the most part, all these gentlemen have blank hair. But earlier on, I would do it in a way that they almost would end up looking bald, because I would use a very thin line and I would add no dimension to those lines, no variations. So from a distance, they would look bald as fuck. The fuck? Right? Like if you saw him this far away, you're like, that's a bald man. Ain't nothing wrong with being bald. Shout out my bald community. Stanley Tucci, I would slob on that knob. However, that is not the point that I want to come across in this portrait and many other portraits. So what I have to do is just add more detail to the line art so it doesn't look so blank and blends into the background as much. Okay? Okay. So we're gonna use my little pine. It's not mine, I guess it's everyone's. And we're just gonna go over and make some lines darker, add a little more detail, blah, blah, blah. Just to emphasize that there is head on top. There is head. There is hair on top of this head. I can even add a little. And then it's good to go on the outside a little more. See, now from that far away, it's not as bad, but we'll add more, babes. Don't worry. Don't cry. For me, Argentina. And Josh has a little mullet going on. A little wispy. That was too much. Then we'll erase this color here just to make his little BB hairs, more pronounced. Okay. Little things like that make big differences, okay? After, before, after. Hopefully you can see the difference. If not, I don't know. He's wearing shorts.